After walking the ramp in a glorious golden ensemble at the Paris Fashion Week for L'Oreal Paris, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is back at it, mesmerizing us with her charm. Aishwarya attended a L'Oreal event at Gateway of India in Mumbai on Wednesday evening and walked the red carpet in a black number, which several netizens are referring to as the Hogwarts fashion. And we see it, totally. Aishwarya wore this black cloak-like outfit which reminded us of the legendary robes the students and professors donned in the famous Harry Potter films. We are sure that was not her intention, but yeah, the Hogwarts vibe was unmissable. Now let's look at her outfit closely. She actually wore an Indo-Western piece that featured a long and flared embroidered jacket with bell sleeves and paired it with matching pants. She opted for long earrings and heels with this look. And yes, her signature open hairstyle added a little more glam to her face as usual. No doubt she looked great in this, but we think her golden look from the Paris Fashion Week was definitely a notch higher than this. Even the other black outfit she wore to the press meet at the Fashion Week looked more structured and was styled better. Aditi Rao Hydari was also in attendance at the Mumbai event and we loved her look. She wore a classy piece by Soleil's London that featured a cream-colored bodice top with the train attached on the back and paired it with a pair of black trousers. She finished the look with a diamond choker and black pointed heels. And the better news was Aditi kinda made it red carpet official with Siddharth. He looked dapper in a dark blue outfit. There were other celebs at the event as well, but Aishwarya and Aditi of course stole the show. Who do you think looked the best at the L'Oreal event in Mumbai? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for everything fashion.